Philippine. Find our soulmate.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Korea. And now today we are going to Seoul. We are going to Seoul. And then to find our soulmate. Oh, yeah. I'm wearing pineapple right now to represent pineapple plantation. We are here in Unsa Station. We went here, but it's closed. So in the shop is. Ano yung isa? Pero may we're going to meet ambassador. Philippine ambassador. 지금은 우리는 이태원이요. What is this? KC Philippine restaurant?
Please find the one before summer.
Yes, right, yes.
He did
one of the my
but I like the traditional music.
Tango, drum dance. We're gonna learn drum dance.
Drum dance.
Yes, so performance volunteer. Yes, here. So we are from in Korea embassy event, event, even outside the events.
The original Naira members came with the group.
More than yes, 30 members. Yes, 12 years ago with us. Yeah.
You can call me Jovi, like teacher mentioned. I'm one of the pioneer members for 12 years.
Yes.
So thank you. And we're blessed and thankful that we have opportunity to be invited here in the embassy. Through teacher Jo and Miss Bernadette, of course. She accommodated our schedule and course for ambassador. Thank you so much po.
I appreciate performing Korean traditional dances since 27.
Yes.
I decided to bring you pineapple.
A few moments later.
Because I have a master's degree. We have a reading room here. Yeah,
Oh,
it looks like a Korean cafe for interviews. Yes, and the hosting of
I don't like the word giveaway.
Every time,